Hello again. I did a video not too long ago on installation of a Buell XB model front foot peg for the rider. Now I want to do one for the passenger. You're going to need a detent clip, a pin, a spring, a bearing, well, the ball, and your other detent clip. Your retainer clip. Alright, so if you look at the way you want this to go in, you can see where the spring and the ball go in. So if it was a recess here, and when you click it up and it locks, you know those are the two positions that you want. So we'll take this, and it's basically going to look like that. Okay, so you're going to line it up there, so when you lock it up in the up position, it will be in that position right there. See what I'm saying? Okay, so get your spring, put it in the hole, get your ball, put it on the spring. You can see the little bearing ball. And then you take your detent and put it all together and just hold it like that. And then you're going to go ahead and take this, keep these two edges pinched. You're not going to be able to get that wide open end in. So you're going to go ahead and take this, slide it in here like that. And jiggle it and just compress the spring. Okay. From there, take your pin, drop it in, jiggle it around a little bit. That's it. You can kind of test it. Okay. Take your retaining clip, slide it on the groove of your pin, and it should lock in. There you go. Hope that helps.